I'm Nikki Janse van Rensburg. I'm with the Faculty of Engineering and the Built Environment with a unit called the Process, Energy and Environmental Technology Station, and I am the head of the department. So PETS is part of a network of technology stations that are all based with different universities across the country, and each tech station has their own focus. And as you've mentioned, in 2010, UJ set on a journey to engage with the Technology Innovation Agency and the Department of Science, Technology and Innovation to set up a tech station that would focus specifically on the green economy. I started getting involved in the water, energy, food nexus as a research field and sustainable socio-technical systems. How does technology enable society to do things? And these things just merged, and the opportunity came for me to join PETS, and the research interest and the work that we were doing sort of came together, and that's how I got involved there. I think in the engineering space, we tend to think we know everything, and technology on its own can only do so much. It's technology when it is in the hands of people that we start seeing change, and getting that shift from a technology focus to a people-centered focus, I think, has been one of the biggest challenges around moving into this space of responding to societal needs and changing the thinking around how we as engineers are engaging. And like I mean, there's just too much work, so we are always looking for ways that we can add value and extend the reach of the work that we're doing. So one of the biggest challenges that we have is to provide the services that everybody needs. So the university doesn't have a reception where you can arrive and say, I've got this problem, where's all the experts who can help me? So we often play that role as a connector between ourselves and the university, and to facilitate that interaction, to have a network within UJ that we can extend to, building those relationships, building collaboration projects across different multidisciplinary engagement. Takes time to build those relationships. So I think that's been one of the biggest challenges, but it's also where most of the opportunities lie. So literally thousands of small businesses have been supported through the work that we do at PETS. We've done amazing projects all over the country. We get to go to very interesting places, into the most inaccessible environments. I'm reminded of a project in the Eastern Cape where we imported technology that extracts moisture from air. So basically water from air to give access to water to about 5 villages in the Eastern Cape that didn't have clean running water. And there we had to have a helicopter fly in the equipment because the roads were inaccessible, and that's part of the reason why there was never going to be water, because you can't get there. And having that level of high-tech technology in a community and seeing how it impacts on people's lives, it's a nice day in the office when you get to do stuff like that every day. In South Africa, unemployment is a massive challenge, and if you can enable small businesses to grow, they are the employers, not the big companies. So we really need to grow small businesses so that we can solve unemployment, and that's a big part of our focus, is to be intentional about creating the skills that we need, upskilling young people so that they can play a massive role in industry, and that they carry this theme around the green economy, circular thinking, just being aware of sustainability so that we can drive that in the future. So there's a couple of projects where UJ has also, through the Global Excellence in Stature program, has also funded some engagements of PETS, where we are pulling together the work that we are doing day to day, the normal work with small businesses, and then integrating that into curriculum, into the research agenda around specific themes. So the one is PETS itself as the green economy, ensuring that we are influencing the curriculum within engineering and other faculties, and creating more opportunities for students to work with small businesses, so really expanding on the services that we can give.